God, I love Metallica.
No, Metallica's the best. All right, so here we are. We got our doors.
Here we are.
Sanded. They've got a little 1/8 round over on the front and back edges. So now we're going to mark for some European hinges. So I'm going to come in at 2.5 on both sides.
2.5.
Yeah.
2.5 in. From the bottom.
All right, going to drill these holes 1 3/8 Forstner bit. Oh yeah!
Smells good. It smells good.
Alright, so we're going on with some European hinges right here.
And
These were salvaged from a local Thai food business.
mine.
So, best thing you can do with these, use a square of some fashion to line them up good. We'll be using a Vicks bit to pilot our holes. Then we will applying some 3/4 inch wood screws.
Get an inch up your ass, send me some. In the meantime, don't forget to set your clutch.
Don't forget to sport your local wood ass wheels.
Well, anyways.
Quality comes with a price.
Yeah, well, so these nuts. Let's rotate the camera angle here.
No, I put the other hinges on.
Let's not rotate the camera angle here.
Okay, next thing we're going to do here is hang our doors and hope that they are good.
Yeah.
Grab the basement. I'll hold the door. And I want you to put a hole